guys a little room tour. They were super accommodating. I do think it's also because my husband is a Diamond member through Hilton, which of course we're staying in a Hilton hotel, so that makes life very helpful. Which way am I going? Oh, it's gotta be this way. I've only been here one other time. You have to bear with me, guys. Okay, so they were super accommodating because when I booked this, we got the completely last room. But she said, the fitness center's here, but she did say that if we wanted to have the smaller room, then we can go ahead. It's the same size room, it just doesn't have a sofa. Then we can go ahead. We can go ahead then and get our room now. And then our continental breakfast is on the second floor. It's actually right here. They were just finishing up that. We don't get that for today, but we get that starting tomorrow. But then also, oh my God, I went right by it. But then also, we get the room now, so that's even better. And it doesn't face the freeway. It faces like more towards the theme park center. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. A little spoiler, we're in room 216. It is room tour time. I am so happy to be back at Disneyland, and we got so lucky. We got here, it's at Home2Suits here in Anaheim, and it's that Home2Suits Anaheim resort. It's beautiful. So we stayed here exact same weekend last year. It is also connected to the Hilton Garden Inn. All the little details and everything, of course, are going to be linked down below. And my husband is a Diamond member, so we have gotten a little bit of perks, and they definitely made some magic happen today. So check-in is not till 4 o'clock. It is 9:04 at this very moment. And you guys, our room was ready already. And they're just like, if you decide to not have like the pull-out couch and not have like a couch in your room, then I can get you in now. And spoiler, we got a couch. If we were in the Hilton Garden Inn side, then because we're Diamond member, we get like a $20 a person allowance or something like that we can use in like the restaurants and the common grounds, like coffee shop and little bakery and stuff like that in there. We can use that and we get that every day. But since we're on the Home2 side, we get continental breakfast. It is steps away from our door, which is amazing. I love that I can literally like walk out there, grab all the things, and then come back. So I'm so excited to show you this room. I just came in here, turned on all the lights, and I'm so excited to share it with you. And then look over here. We have the same outlets as we did on the other side, the 2 double plugs and the 2 USBs. Another outlet here. I'm sure there's more behind there, but I'm not digging. And then I think I showed you those 2 over there. And then in the lamp, there's another plug and USB. Yes, there's another outlet there, but it looks pretty occupied. Oh, and then digital thermostats at 71, and I'm very comfortable. 2 more outlets here, 2 more outlets here. I'm always missing them. Oh yeah, and then 2 outlets in here. Okay, one other thing that I will tell you that I thought was interesting. This is just like the cruise ships. So you need your key to actually keep all the lights on, and after a while, the lights will turn off. I'm curious as to how long until they turn off, but yes, that is one thing. You'll need your room key in there. They did provide this, and I think it's gonna do the same thing. Let me swap these out and see. I'll let you guys know in the info box if this will actually keep it on, because this is what was in there, but yeah. This is a great room, you guys. I would highly recommend it. You get a lot of bang for your buck. It is very, very clean. Yep, I saw those outlets down there, but they're being used for the lamps and that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Would you stay here? Would you enjoy this? We'll have to come back on another trip so I can actually show you the Hilton Garden inside, because it's just as beautiful. It's about the same size when you get to you can do either a chair or a couch. We picked the couch just because the kids can like sit and play and unwind and do all their things here. And they're not like cramped in a tiny hotel room. So that helps a lot. But yeah, I'm really loving it, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Any questions you might have, I'm here to help you guys. You guys, the lobby is so nice. And this is right off the elevators. And you can see kind of by the pool. But the restaurant's so nice. We're coming.
Ew.
It's really, really good. And then I'll show you guys this art when we come down. My kids love it. That's what they remembered from last time. I'm coming, I'm coming. Welcome to Disneyland, you guys. Okay, so they have a bunch of the really cool banners up here too. I'm loving the purple and platinum. This platinum. So as soon as you come in through security, you see Disneyland. And it looks amazing. We got California Adventure. And you guys, the reason why it takes so long to get through, I know you guys are always thinking about the lines and everything, which you guys, I am here for that too. I'm always wanting to know, where are we lines? Are we busy? Are we not? Whoa! I know, isn't that cool?
Yeah, I didn't know they had it.
The reason why is because they have to scan through all the paper tickets and it's all the original turnstiles. It's iconic, you guys. There's nothing more iconic than Disney, I swear. I love it. Let me show you guys these banners. They're super cool. So the ones outside have more of like the dates of like special events and everything and when things were created, what makes it special, all of that. But this is the characters and their amazing costumes. Yeah, we saw that, bud. So we're going straight through to downtown Disney. Now we have never gone over here. When we were here last year, of course I did when I was a kid, but I feel like that doesn't even count at this point. So we never really went over here because it was a really tight squeeze. We really wanted to focus on the parks. So now that we're going to be here about twice as long, we can add a little bit more time to other things, but we really wanted to check this out. Oh, I see the Grand California. I see the big 100-year plaque. I see World of Disney. See, this is what I'm talking about. I love it right here, front and center. The goods are here for me. And then you guys, if you are not on my Instagram, I've been showing you guys so much, keeping you guys posted on every level of today already. So make sure you're following me over there because it is so much fun. We have like so much fun. And then when you guys need to know things, I get to you right away. All right, we got our 10% off with our DVC discounts. We ordered Oreo for the kids' chair. Did you also get the Fruity Pebbles?
No, I decided not to go.
Okay, I got the apple pie, and then you got French toast?
Yes.
Yum, you guys, yum. First churro of the trip. Naples reminds me so much of Indianapolis. It's crazy. The plates even, it's owned by the same company, but it's not going to be to like that level. I did go ahead and order my fruity salad. It is definitely a little bit more expensive here, but the sizing is much bigger. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you my salad, and then help me decide on what to get. I might just get spaghetti and meatballs. I haven't quite decided. It's huge. It's definitely much bigger than Indianapolis for sure. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I did the kids because this is a kids portion and it's huge because we're still trying to chow on this. The food is coming out piping hot and extremely fast. I know this place just opened, but dang, they are fast here. Okay, so I ordered the penne pasta with the cream sauce, and then the kids are splitting a mac and cheese, and then we still have a couple more things coming out. And then Jason got like a build your own. These are huge sizes, huge sizes. And the kids' pizza looks delicious. It all looks so good. So I'm stuffed now. I ate way too much food. So I think you guys saw what I ordered. I ordered like the kids build your own pasta, the penne pasta, and the cream sauce. Very good. The portions here are huge. Huge. It does remind me a lot of Indianapolis. It does not compare to Indianapolis like whatsoever. Not that I have ever heard anyone try and compare it, but I think it's just owned by the same company. And it has like little touches and it's familiar, right? No, the portion sizes are much larger. I feel you get a lot more bang for your buck. I feel the prices are a tad bit more, but you get a lot more food, so like I'm cool with that. The service is amazing. Her name is Jazz. That was our waitress that we had. She so good. She was awesome. She stayed on top of everything. Fresh cheese. Like, even I'm like, can I please order something? She's like, yeah, normally we'd have to charge an extra $5. She's like, I won't charge you. Love her. The kids still have half of their meals left, so we're definitely going to take that back because they're going to come back later tonight, even after dinner, and they're going to be hungry. So that'll be good. Yeah, I think we're going to rev up here and waddle back to a couple more stores and then head back to the hotel and kind of relax. We just looked up prices to like add on an extra day to our tickets and just like jump in the park for a couple hours. It wasn't going to be worth it. But yeah, this is already such a great trip. This is already a game changer trip. If you guys follow me on Instagram before I even had this channel, but I had my other channel, I was not thrilled when we came here last time. Not to Naples, but to Disneyland. It was not that great. This time it's been amazing. My first Disney duck. Pretty mallard. He looks a little cold. Alright, you guys. We are stuffed. The restaurant, like I said earlier, was really, really good. The food was good. The service was top notch. I think that's honestly what it kind of made the meal, is because our service was so good. Again, her name was Jazz. Wonderful, above and beyond. So, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. We're gonna head back. We got cranky children, which typically means it's time for a little nap. We were really tempted to go into the parks. I think just because they're right here, and it's like, you know, when you come to Disney World and you're like, I'm right by Epcot, I can see the castle, I can see Magic Kingdom. So you're like, you know what, no, we gotta stick to the plan, have extra quiet days. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and then we'll jump into part 2 of the day a little bit later, and we'll go do some more shopping and dinner, and then check in with you guys a little bit later. But I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already done so, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that like button, hit that subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.